Hey guys, day 19. I'm going to show you what I'm going to start on today. I left off where I was going to actually start taking that apart to detail it out and everything. I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to jump right back on this, and I just want to grind down any of the spot welds that I don't like, clean them up, and then just start hitting this thing with the seam sealer. It takes a while to put it down. When you put the seam sealer down, only go like maybe 3 feet at a time because it likes to set up very fast. So, I mean, if you start on this side and work your way around and then want to start like cleaning it up and stuff, it's probably going to be too late. So only go 3 feet at a time. That's what takes so long about doing this. So, and this gets everything, all down here, all across, down there, across here, down into where the quarter panels come down, all over here, out of wheelhouses, everything over here, everything down in here. Wheelhouses in here, all this stuff, everything underneath the trunk gets done. So I'm gonna get to it now. I'll keep stopping throughout the day just to show you like anything that I might think that might help. Alrighty, let me know what you think. Hey guys, I had to stop for a minute. There's a couple of things I needed to weld on here. When you buy these one-piece trunk pans, they come like this. They're supposed to have that. Those are the shock towers, those are the mounting plates. These mount to the bottom of that right there. Those, they get tacked into place. You don't have to go crazy with a weld, you know, little weld on one side, little weld on the other side. But I just wanted to show you because there was a couple of things I forgot to weld on this. And when you see me in the video welding, you're gonna be like, I thought the guy was done with the welding. But that's what I'm welding now. I'm welding the shock mounted brackets right there. And this is what they look like underneath. Let me see, like right, if you could see it. That's what they look like underneath. That's what the shock mounts do. But, all right, I'm going to keep going along. I just wanted to show you that. And there's one other thing that I have to weld up over here, too. That dash panel right there, I don't know what they did. It looks like somebody hit it with a Sawzall or something, so I'm just going to clean it up, make it pretty again. And that's pretty much it. I have a brand new one. I could replace this, but I'm going to try to save as much as I can of the car. I don't want to replace the car. I want to try to save as much as I can of it. All right, I'm going to keep going. All right. I use a 1-inch brush. Yeah, this right here. This right here. Because back then when they put this stuff on here, I mean, I've pulled out seam sealer back in there from the factory like an inch thick. It's crazy. They just went in there with a machine and they just pumped everything into every nook and cranny. I got pretty much the inside done. I just have to get down into the quarter panels down in there. But for the most part, everything's seam sealed. The stuff's tough to work with. Trust me, wear a pair of gloves and do it in a ventilated area because the fumes from this stuff will knock you on your butt. This is pretty much done. And listen, it's not going to be pretty. This stuff is so tough to work with to begin with. I mean, you'll get maybe 3 feet, and by the time you start to run the brush across the beginning, it's almost set up already. It's just really, really tough to work with. And definitely wear a pair of gloves because you'll see how good this stuff is when you're trying to get it off your hands and you can't. So this is pretty much, I think I'm going to end today. I might go a little further. If I do, I'll show you. But for the most part, I think I'm going to end this today and start on it tomorrow. I think I'll get it done tomorrow. So I just wanted to keep you up to date on how I was doing with this car today. Like I say, this stuff doesn't look pretty when you put it on. It's going to get painted and it's going to get a carpet and everything, but it wasn't pretty when they put it on in 1969. So this is where we are. This is where I am tomorrow. Just I have to do all in there, down along in there, around there. Same thing here along the back and here. It's a decent amount. I mean, I think I've gone through 3 tubes of this already. And then I still have to do the bottom. So I should have it done, I'm hoping, tomorrow. If I get it done tomorrow, then I can jump back on the drivetrain over there. Because the game plan is to get this back down on the ground, get it to where it's rolling so I can put it up there. And then I can start detailing out underneath and just start to put the car together. But I wanted to keep you posted on where I was today. It's still day 19. I'm probably going to stop for a little bit, at least now anyway, because these fumes are killing me. If I start back up again, I'll show you where I'm leaving off and how far I got. All right, so just keeping you posted, and thanks. I hope you like the way it's coming out. All righty. Okay, now it's the end of day 19. These fumes are just knocking me on my butt. If you use this stuff, just make sure that you got a fan blowing or something. So I finished off, I got into the trunk area in here. Along the back. So tomorrow I'm going to finish up. I'm going to finish everything underneath the car. But I gotta ask you, this car is originally, hold on, let me show you. It's originally butternut yellow with a black vinyl top, a black hockey stripe, and no rear spoiler, just a super sport hood. This car was optioned with the bottom stripe. The SS didn't come with every color. It was only available in certain colors, from what I understand. This right here, on this car, the bottom of the rocker, just below the spears, the chrome spears, they did it in black. It's like a satin black. So here I am. Here's where things kind of get a little crazy. I have to detail this firewall out, the top and everything. Now, do I jam it out in butternut yellow? Or do I paint the car maybe a triple black? I'm really curious. I was going to try to keep the car as original as I could. But I got to tell you, I think triple black would be really nice as well. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Should I go with the original color, butternut yellow with a black top and a black hockey stripe? I'll show you pictures of the car, the color combination, how it's supposed to look. And let me know, because I have no idea. Some of my friends are like, no, you got to go with the original butternut yellow. And some of my other friends are like, well, that's an acquired taste. So I'm very partial to black. That car right there, that's black. Let me know what you think. I don't know, but I definitely have to detail it out. If I'm going to detail it out, it's just a matter of mixing up a quart of paint and jamming it out and, going the extra step. So let me know what you think. It's the end of day 19. I hope you like the way it's coming out. And thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you like the way that these videos are coming out. I'm trying to get a little bit better at it. So, alrighty. Well, have an awesome day, okay? Thanks.